Hello everyone, and welcome to Introduction to Programming in C. This is our course Introduction and Overview, so let's go ahead and take a look at the material. So welcome to the class. This class is currently an early release, and what that means is you can get access to the course now for free as I publish the lessons for the course. So there's a little bit of material up there now, and I anticipate finishing the course in April 2023. And this course will include hands-on labs, so you don't need to install any software. Everything will be included with the lab website, and I've included the lab website, which is also free right now at labs.destinlearning.com. So let's go ahead and take a look at the material. Our course contents, we're going to start off, there's going to be 10 modules for the initial version of this course. Module 1 is the introduction. We'll frame all the material for the course and everything you need. In Module 2, we'll look at C language basics, how to write your first program, and I assume in this course that you're starting from zero to hero and that you don't have any programming experience whatsoever. So in Module 2, we'll look at how to get you started. In Module 3, we'll look at program flow control, things like if statements, case statements, and loops. Module 4, we'll look at the data types supported by C. In Module 5, we'll look at an important concept in C called pointers, which is how to address memory. And we're going to look more at memory management in Module 8. In Module 6, we're going to be working with strings and how you can manipulate strings in C. Module 7, I'll show you how to do file input and output, which is an extremely important operation in any language. And then in Module 9, we're going to look at how to sort data. And then in Module 10, we'll go ahead and wrap things up. I will most probably add more modules to this course over time, so go ahead and subscribe now. And as I get new modules published, you'll also have access to those as well. So thank you so much for your interest in this class. You can get your access for free here. I'll also put the URL inside the video description as well, but use the code LEARNC23. And if you have any feedback on the course, and I'll include this in the course as well, of course, but you can send any feedback to sales@destinlearning.com. That's it. This is your chance to learn one of the core languages of software development. It's been around for a long time, but go ahead and sign up for this course and learn to program in C. That's it for this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for your interest in this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, and you can check out my classes on my website at courses.destinlearning.com. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.